Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the NOTWOWAYS in the pure white. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. Today we've got a look at the newest of the NOTWOWAYS collection, and we got this in the pure white colorway in the UK size 6, European 39, and it's US women's 8.5. Big shout out to obviously our boy Chris, who was able to get a pair of the NOTWOWAYS, and big shout out as always to Rockwell Prince and Calyx, because those guys have what they've done from taking the, well, Calyx is a YouTuber, big shout out to Calyx, from being a YouTuber to essentially designing sneakers. That's dope. Let's get into the unboxing. So they always change it up with regards to the box. So usually they got a triangle cutout so you can have a little peek of what's inside. But this box is an all white box. You got bits of obviously orange here. You've got Calyx's handwriting. You got Rockwell as well. Right there, you got their site signatures, QR codes, and everything will take you to the site. And here they are. Bang. All again. Right here. So, guys, we've done tons of NOTWOWAYS reviews out in the past. Check that out if you get the chance to, or you want to see the other colorways. Unfortunately, these sell out. So as soon as the guys from NOTWOWAYS drop these, sell out, which is really dope. If you're able to get a pair on the resale market, then it's probably the best advice I can give you if you want a pair. But if you're able to get these on retail, enjoy these. So we'll start with the outsole. This outsole is all a rubber outsole. It incorporates recycled rubber, which is great. You got the NOTWOWAYS logo right there at the forefoot. Midsole unit. So this midsole again is like a lot of the NOTWOWAYS sneakers, uses a recycled foam right there as well. The upper uses these beautiful cuts of leather all around the sneaker, and what that does is just giving that more premium look. You can see here it looks very high-end fashion as well, very much like a Balenciaga Triple S, the way that it's kind of that chunky trainer vibe, chunky sneaker vibe for our American friends. And essentially it is a sock unit, so you can see the sock booty here, easily slip on because of the slip unit there. You can put your heel in. Lacing system there, you got your rope laces right in there, little cuts, and you got your NOTWOWAYS tags here with product descriptions, QR codes to take you to the website. Foam insole, very nice. You want to be comfortable on the underside of your feet. It's like two pull tabs. You've got one plastic one and another one from this fake materials there. And that rounds off my review. Just running off with the nicely padded tongue, as always, with the NOTWOWAYS logo there. There. Not much else to say, but the guys from NOTWOWAYS have hit out the park again. Shout out to Chris, who's on Feet Review. You will be watching because this is not my size, unfortunately. So that rounds it off. We're gonna switch it over to Chris, but again, big shout out to the guys from NOTWOWAYS, Calyx and Rockwell Princely. If you're watching, and we know that you are, drop some love in the comments just to show that you've been watching us. Thanks guys for watching. I'm gonna roll it over to Chris right now so you can see his beautiful ankles. See you there.
I'm sure you're well aware by now with the NOTWOWAYS fits. You know, these are nice and snug. It seems like they're getting comfier with every rendition, but yeah, definitely go true to size if you're like me and you like a snug fit. And yeah, comfy as ever. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z. Until next time, peace.